Now let's take a look at what a quiz might look like using the test tool. So here I've already set up a test to look at called Chapter 27 Quiz. The students are just going to click on it and then click Begin. And here's what it looks like for them. I set up a timer here for 60 minutes and I've set it so that they only see one question at a time, but this is all configurable. So here you could say show all the questions on one page, show them one at a time and don't let them go back. There's a lot of options here. But just to give you an idea of how it can work, this is what a multiple choice question looks like. These are pretty straightforward and students just choose an answer. And if I move on, here is an essay question where you just give a prompt and then students use the box here to type their response. Now we have a fill in the blank question where students just have to fill in an answer. These can automatically be graded because you can designate what the correct word is. And here's an interesting type of question called jumbled sentence. What students have to do here is choose the correct answers from a drop-down list to complete an accurate sentence. So in this case, they have to choose the correct planets. As you can see, you're able to overpopulate these lists so that it's not so easy to use process of elimination. This is an example of just one sentence. However, you could make this a few sentences or even a paragraph where they have to choose many more terms that make the sentence or paragraph correct. Next up here we have an ordering question. In an ordering question, students have to choose the correct order that a list of things goes in. So this is the order of operations. Students use the drop-down list above each choice to determine which order it's supposed to be in the list. Here we have a really simple one, true or false. So now let's check out a matching question. Here you can provide students with a list of terms and a list of definitions or some correlating information where they have to choose which item on the right is correlated with the term or item on the left. Now lastly, here's a hotspot question. Hotspot questions allow you to upload an image and ask students to click on the correct item range. So here it says that they should click on Australia. So as a student, if I click on Australia, that's going to be submitted as my answer, that click and that designated spot. This works great for maps, trying to identify a certain location on a piece of medical equipment, or noticing on a graph where something changes. You as the instructor set what the correct range is, and then they come in and have to click in that range in order to earn the points.